What up, beautiful? You looking gorgeous today? So today I want to do another artsy type of video. So I got two pumpkins here that need to be painted. So I'm just gonna speed through this and you guys are just gonna watch me paint. Alright you guys, this is the end of this video. I really like how these came out. So for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is in October, I made this pumpkin and I followed a stencil. So I started off, it says breast cancer, and then it has a beautiful woman and it has awareness on the other side. And I did want to do something kind of goofy, so I did do Cheshire the cat because, I mean, just look at that smile. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe. Vlogoween is almost over. So when Vlogoween ends, I'm gonna go back to doing just natural hair like videos. So you have any suggestions, any products you want me to try, remember comment down below. But until next time, bye.